Oh, don't look at that. Hi. These are my boxes of golden stuff. Hello. These are my 2 giant boxes of golden products. I got these through the Golden Second program. Would you like to see what's inside of these ginormous boxes? Alright, welcome to my golden paints haul. I'm just going to go through these really quickly. Okay, this is way too much for me to actually go through all of them, and I can't fit it all on my bed, so sorry, you're just gonna have to imagine, but I'll show you what the boxes look like. There's also mediums and paints, and it's amazing. So this is one of the boxes of all the paints that I got, and this is another box with mostly mediums. Okay, so today I'm gonna test out GAC. I actually have no idea what this is, so I might have to look this up a little bit. Fiber paste, glass bead gel. You can see it's got like some stuff in there. Light molding paste, and iridescent pearl medium. I don't usually work with mediums, so I'm curious as to how these will work, and I'm excited to try them. Alright, so I'm going to start by testing out this GAC 900. I looked it up and it said it can be used to thin acrylic paints, so let's see how it works. Let's open this up. Oh my gosh. Ooh, okay. It is very foamy. So I'm just going to test it with a few different colors to see how it works, but I'm just going to take a little bit of this medium, put it on my palette, and then mix it with a color to see how it performs. And I'm just gonna see how it comes out. Ooh, okay. It feels very watercolory, but it's acrylic paint. But it gives it a really nice glaze, so I think I might actually be interested in using this instead of water, because I usually use water to thin my paint, but this actually looks like it would be a lot nicer, and it's so much smoother. Ooh. But I'm really liking this GAC stuff. Look at that beautiful glaze. Yeah, it's gonna take a little while to dry. Okay, let's go on to the next medium. Fiber paste. This one I did not look up, so we're just gonna test it and see what happens. Ooh, it looks very interesting. Nice and chunky. Alright, I'm gonna take some of this. Mix it in with my paint and see what it does to that paint consistency. Alright, the next one I'm going to try out is the glass bead gel. If you look up close, it looks like there's little tiny glass beads in there, which is probably why it's called glass bead gel. So let's open it up. Ooh, this looks super cool. So I'm just going to put a little bit on its own down on the paper just so I can see what it looks like when it dries. But it is for sure a gel with glass beads in it. Shocking. But I like this. This has some great texture. Zoom, zoom, zoom. So I'm just mixing up this gel. It has such a nice, fun texture. Ooh. And then I'm just gonna plop that on there. This is great. I think this will be fun to do like some impasto type technique. And now I want to try iridescent pearl. It looks like this. Iridescent pearl fine. Let's open it up. See what we have. Ooh, okay, I was not expecting it to be so shiny, which I guess I should have because iridescent pearl. But oh my gosh, I think this one might be my favorite. It is gorgeous. Look at this. Look at this gorgeous shine on there. Alright, let's just try it on its own. On its own, it makes a great, nice, shiny, silvery, beautiful. Oh, I love this so much. Oh my gosh. And then let's get a little bit mixed with some yellow paint. And you can see it just turns it into a fabulous metallic color, which, like, come on, this is gorgeous. It's beautiful. Wow. All right, and let's test it out next to it. Oh, it's so beautiful, and it thickens it really nicely. So if you're using cheaper acrylic paints like I am with the Basics Liquitex, it helps so much. Like, look at that. It looks like it's a heavy-bodied, gorgeous paint. I think this one is my favorite. And then the last one I'm gonna try out today is light molding paste. It looks like this. If I can open it. Let's see. Ooh, okay. So this felt really light, so I thought it was really empty, but it looks like it's completely full. It's just super duper light. I also don't really know what molding paste is used for, so I will research this later. Okay, so I think this is probably to add texture to things because that texture is absolutely amazing. I'm just gonna mix it into the other medium because why not? We're doing a science experiment basically. Gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Look at that. It is so pretty. I have to get all of this off. There we go. I mean, come on. That is so pretty. Okay, so I think the molding paste and the pearl, what is it? Pearl, iridescent pearl. I think those are my favorite. Okay, and now I'm doing a quick little painting, just testing out all the different mediums together. I think I used all of the mediums except for the tiny glass gel bead thing medium. I'm just doing a quick little sketchy, loose painting of a laundry room, and I really enjoyed using that modeling paste for that pink wall there. And then of course these tape peels are so satisfying and I love them so much. And yeah, that's about it.